light and gay, but the Jardins would not wi' him ride, and they rue it to this day. He has burned all the dales o' Tyne and Bardell Bamroshire, 3 tall towers and Reachwire fells, he left them all on fire. He marched up to Newcastle and raided round about, saying was the lord of this castle and was the lady old. Then up spake proud Cashida, and no but he spake high, I am the lord of this castle, my wife's a lady gay. If thou art the lord of this castle, say will it pleases me, or ere I cross the